Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at tracing an image in Blender and creating a 3D model out of it. So what I've done is to get the image in, I've already done it, but it would be Shift A and you go to Image and Reference and select it. Now before you bring it in, be sure that you're in the Z axis. You want to be in that top view before you bring in an image or it'll come in crooked. So click the Z, Shift A, and go to Image, Reference, and select the image. Okay, so from here, I'm going to orbit out and Shift A to create a cube. Alright, I can keep it the right size here. You can always scale this design. The image can be scaled with S if you want. Okay, so I did scale that up a touch. I'm going to select on the cube and go to Edit Mode. And in edit mode, I'm going to stay in the vertex mode, point mode. I'm going to press A to be sure that I'm selected all, which I am. Everything is selected. And I'm going to press M, which is merge, and then click at center. I'm going to come back to that Z, and I'm going to stay in the Z axis now for a while. I'm going to press G to move my point around. So that cube has merged into one point. And I'm going to start at the bottom here. I'll click to put that point right there. I'm then going to press E, and E is to extrude, and I'm going to kind of move ahead a little bit, and I'm going to press E and click. E, extrude it and click. E, extrude and click. And you can see I am tracing E, extrude and click. And we're going to trace the contour, spread out the points, take your time, all the way around. Click, and then press E, click, E, and move it. If you make a mistake, you can just press Control Z to undo. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wind up coming all the way around here, but be sure that your last point does not meet up with the first point. So I'm going to stop with this gap right here. I can orbit out now, and I'm going to press A to select all, F to fill, and then E to extrude. Excellent. I'm going to come back to object mode. I do not need this design anymore. The image I do not need. So I'm going to press delete and delete that. And I have this image now traced as an object. If I was interested in printing this, I would go to first save it as a Blender file, but then I would go to File, Export, and export this design as an STL. An STL. All right, good luck and give it a try.